Season 3 Episode 17. Classic caillou smashing a wall clock / mega grounded. Enjoy the show.
I'm going to smashing a wall clock. Yes! Now I'm going my room. Now still waiting. Oh no!
Classic caillou, how dare you smashing my wall clock? That's it, you're grounded for 7 additional months.
Washington. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification. Coming back Season 3 Episode 18. Next episode, with the final episode of Season 3. Thanks for watching.